Hey guys, Dr. Dex here. Today we are installing Regal Ideas rail pods for our custom curved glass from Coastal Curved Glass. So stay tuned. We got a lot of drilling and a lot of attaching to do, a lot of caulking and waterproofing. If you like what you see, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time we're putting out fresh content. And if you want to learn how to bend deck boards like me, go check out Dr. Dex Masterclass. All right, let's get it on. All right, so layout is probably the most important thing about Crystal Rail. If you don't have a proper layout, then nothing else is going to install properly. So what I've done is I've taken these sticks and I've laid out each set of pods where I want them. Some of them I have to do on a curve and some of them are straight. And the straight ones are pretty easy. I just measured 6 inches back to each piece, put a mark right here, locked it in with one of the fasteners, and then I figured out I have a 2.5 inch gap on this side of the deck with each piece of glass. So I put in my 2.5 inch gap, and now I'm drawing out where I need to drill all my holes. I'm identifying where the fastener holes go, and then I'm identifying where I have to drill a 3/4 inch hole through the deck so we can run our wires through so we can hook them up and make sure they're all lit. We've already got the other side pre-wired just to make sure that it all lights up before we caulk it in. Now Z's over there caulking that together right now, and I'm here just laying out this so we can start drilling the holes for this side. After we get all these pods set, then we'll go ahead and bring the glass up, start installing that, and then after that we'll start doing the pods upstairs.
So we got our Regal pods here, and we've got our 4 Fasten Master bolts. But because we made this a waterproof deck and we want to keep it waterproof, I'm taking each of these out and filling them with some of this clear caulking, make sure it's nice and waterproof. And then I'm also taking some Henry's 900 and caulking in this little hole here where our wire goes for the LED pod. So that way, hopefully, fingers crossed, nothing leaks and we don't have to come back. Alright, so you pull them out, and then if you got extra, kind of like take the extra, put it on the screw. It's an easy little cleanup, and put it right in the hole. Real noisy over there. It's Monday morning, I'm not ready for this. I don't know, DJ Studio Man didn't bring me my coffee today. So,
What are these? What are these?
What are what?
These.
Those? They're templates for our Regal Idea pods so we can kind of center them on a curve so that when we go to put our glass in, hopefully we're close enough where our wedges work and we don't have to move the pods around too much, because it's hard to figure out where to install a pod when everything's on a curve. When all the glass is curved, when everything's circular, it becomes quite a challenge to get all the pods in. So we tried to identify exactly where they needed to go, and then we tried to install them as close to where they need to be. So hopefully we're within tolerance. All right, so now we have all of our holes identified. We have all the holes drilled to get all our wires through the deck. Now we're gonna set up some scaffolding so I can work from the outside of the deck and Nazi can work from the inside of the deck. And we're gonna start installing these Regal Idea pods on this section of the deck as well. After that, we have some 5-foot tall privacy screen posts to make. I'm not sure if we're gonna do that or if we're actually gonna start getting some glass up here and start cinching it down and maybe get something lit up for this evening. We also have to check our wire connections, make sure everything lights up before we add any caulk and permanently install these pods. you go. All right, so I'm prepping all the T-splitters, and what these do is allow you to run the crystal rail pods in succession, and you can run up to 20 pieces of glass, which is 40 pods, off one transformer. So you need one of these per each 2 pods, which holds 1 piece of glass. So we're just prepping all that, and then I'm just going to temporarily hook everything up to make sure all the LEDs work. Then we can caulk and glue in all of our rail pods, and then the pods will be ready for glass. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, if you learned something, even if you know every single one of those tricks and you didn't learn anything, click that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time we're putting out fresh content. And please don't forget to visit Dr. Deck's Masterclass. Learn how to bend deck boards just like the pros. Thank you very much. Have a great day.